Erfog.
Right.
Bukan? Erfog.
Frog. Alright, dah.
Okay, boleh.
Hi, we are from Erfog Group from section 3A. Our group have 6 members and let me introduce them. Okay, firstly, I would like to introduce myself. As a project manager, my name is Muhammad Amir Kasha and our tester is Daniel Irfan. And third is our quality manager, Nurin Iman. And our system designer, Nur Atika. Our system analyst, Pang Jie Yu. And lastly, as a programmer, Ki Hui Ting. Okay. The project we have chosen is Senheng Company. Okay, what is e-commerce? Basically, e-commerce is the process of buying or selling of products or services online. So it makes everything easier. So what are the benefits of e-commerce? So there are 4. It saves time, cheaper, comfort, and increase customer because basically you can buy online without physically going there. So it is Senheng is the biggest electronic chain store and sell a wide range of electronic appliances.
Now I present the main users interface page of Senheng website. The main users interface page of Senheng website use icons and buttons instead of words to present its features. For instance, touring icons is used to present the shopping chart to keep the customer item instead of using the word or shopping chart directly on the main users interface page. The use of button and icon on the main users interface page is more user familiar and easier to be used by the customer. The main users interface page of Senheng website also include the buttons like contact us button, tracking order buttons, buttons for 1+1 membership, input search button, users account, wish list, chart, page directing net bar for promotion, Xcoin, brand store, click and pick, blog and insurance. The main users interface page also consists of the button, top categories, features, brands, new arrivals list, bestseller list, mobiles and tablets list, home entertainment list, home appliances list, kitchen appliances list, special for you list, sign out input bar, and also lots of buttons for further information about Senheng website.
Now I will talk about the website introduction. So the objective of the Senheng portal is to provide customers with a convenient and exclusive shopping experience, and also to provide customers with the top most updated and cutting-edge items by understanding the customer trends and preferences. So for the info services of Senheng website is that the customer are able to create an account, easily create a rebate to becoming a member, view products and new arrival items. Customer can add the product to the wish list and to the cart. Next, the customer are able to make a payment to pay via online banking and e-wallet and many more, and track the orders to view the order history, and can also give a review or feedbacks of the products and services. For the expectation of the Senheng portal is that Senheng wants the customer to view the products and make a purchase anytime and anywhere. And Senheng wants to increase the delivery capacity with each store able to fulfill many of orders every day. The expectation of software engineering involvement in this is to create a high quality system by identifying issues, requirements and common patterns, developing standard operation procedures, identifying the environment of the website and meet with all the required specification and requirements.
Assalamualaikum and good day. Today I will talk about the similar website. One website that has a similar domain to our case study is the ESH Electrical Sdn Bhd website. We choose this website is due to the similar domain, functions, aims, and expectation of this website with our case study. Both websites provide products and services through an online web base. These are the screen capture of the main page of the ESH website and SengHeng website. They have similar main user interface where the user are familiar with. Both websites also sell similar products for customers with high quality brands such as LG, Panasonic, and Samsung. For payment method, both websites provided various payment methods such as MasterCard, GrabPay, and Touch and Go, while the similar available installment provided are Public Bank and Maybank. Besides, they both also provide shipment and after-sales services for the customer to give them an excellent impression. Next, both websites aims to provide efficient and the best quality services, reliable and high standard quality products to meet all the preferences and demand of the customers. Thus, customers be able to buy product via the website easily. That's all.
So my name is Pang Jaeyu, CV20170, and my role in this system is the system analyst. So I'll talk about the user interface design principle. The consistency is implemented in this system and can be seen from the aspect of design layout. As we can see from these two images, it is consistent in having the same top navbar as the SengHeng logo is located on the top left-hand side of the page, while the account wishlist and card icons is located on the top right-hand side of the page. Besides, the consistency can also be seen from the font property aspect. As we can see from these two images, they are having the same font property as the font size, font family, also the font color is same throughout the system. 27px for the font size, Harmonic Neon for the font family, and 535353 for the font color use. Also, the consistency can also be seen from the aspect of features and functionality. As we can see from these two images, the add to cart function, also the buy now function is consistent throughout the SengHeng website in the product detail page.
Alright, my name is Danny Fan, CA2012C. I would like to present about possible risk. There are many possible risks, but I just take 3 of them, which is estimation risk, people risk, and technology risk. Mike.
So for the benefits involved users, there are several benefits which are better accessibility and better usability for our user. And second, motivation. Third, user involvement is also an advantage. And fourth, getting a fresh user perspective from the experience. So from the next page is the quality of the system will be improved. And there will be solution for the quality problems, improvising the system robustness and vision. Okay, the last page will be the assuring the system meets the expectation of the users. So to enhance the system trustworthiness and to reliability of the system and make sure all the requirements are there.
Okay, now I will present about 4 factors that maintain the maintenance cost, which is first factor is staff skill, and second factor is team stability, third factor program age and structure, and the fourth factor is construction responsibility.
So in the part 2, I will explain about the type of verification and validation. Software inspection, which belongs to the static verification, is being used in this system. The figure shows the software inspection process. So to start the software inspection, the moderator will need to prepare the inspection meeting. In the overview phase, the system overview, codes, and associated documents are distributed to the inspection team in advance. In the individual preparation phase, the individual inspector will review it to find any potential error from the system. During the inspection meeting, the inspection team will point out the defects for each part when the reader reads through the work product part by part. The author in the rework phase will then responsible for fixing the defects discovered during the inspection meeting. For the follow-up phase, the moderator will be responsible to follow up the updating changes to ensure the system works well. Next, I'll talk about the requirement-based testing. This testing belongs to a dynamic verification, and its function is to test against the requirement test. And the figure shows the requirement-based testing figure.
Now I will talk about the 4 elements law to embrace programming evolution dynamic to the Sengheng website. So for the first law is continuing. Sengheng website programs which have been implemented in the real business world environment must continue to change, ensuring that the website can be complemented by the updated software and hardware. For example, updating the API of the Sengheng store locator. The second law is continuing growth. Functionality is provided by the Sengheng must be constantly improved to ensure user satisfaction, to catch up with the world progress in making people's life more convenient, for example, implementing latest payment method to the website. For the third law is declining quality. The quality of the Sengheng website will decline if failed to meet certain conditions. The quality of the product is important to satisfy the user. Sengheng should give an alternative to login to the website using the user Google account as it is convenient. Lastly, for the fourth law is conservation of familiarity, ensuring that the website does not undergo significant modification following the update, as certain users are already familiar with the Sengheng website flow, and the familiarity system need to be maintained so the user will not be confused.
Now I will present about the prediction of the system problem of Sengheng website. One of the possible system problem in our case study is large size and complexity of code of Sengheng website system. Large Sengheng website system with complex code might have more system problem compared to other smaller systems, as there are more modules, interface, and conditional statement in Sengheng website system, causing the website to be more complex. This problem can be related to the reliability of hardware such as the hard disk drive. Solid state drive SSD hard disk with higher reliability can provide larger complexity with lower cost to store the large size and complex code of Sengheng website system, and therefore reduce the boot time and root time for Sengheng website. Cannot be denied that the reliability of software is also related with the size and complexity of the software code itself. By measuring the size and complexity of the code, the size of the Sengheng website software and the reliability of the software hash can be estimated. The code complexity is essential as it directly affects the reliability of the software. The more complex the software code, the less reliable the software. The reliability of the system is also related with the size and complexity of the code. Complex code will cause loss of files and pass to the Sengheng website system. Therefore, the larger the size and complexity of the code, the less reliable the website system. There are lots of consequences caused by the large size and complexity of the code. This problem may cause loss of system files of the Sengheng website, and these files are difficult to be detected due to its code complexity. These files will hence reduce the quality, performance, and reliability of Sengheng websites.
Two comments on Sengheng website by comparing it to ESH website are the layout of the sort of product category. When the user is at the top of the page on the Sengheng website, the drop-down menu of the product category will automatically drop down and show the product category to the user. On the other hand, the drop-down menu will auto-hide whenever the user scrolls down the page. Meanwhile, the navigation bar of the product category of the ESH website will always be at the top regardless of how the user scrolls the page up and down. Second is the diversity of payment method. Aside from using a credit card and online banking payment method, you can see that the Sengheng website provided some of the e-wallet, which are Boost, GrabPay, and Touch and Go e-wallet for the payment method. Meanwhile, the ESH website only provide IP-ATL online banking and bank deposit for the payment method, which is not catching up with the latest technology is being used nowadays. Two suggestions on Sengheng website are enhance the reliability in the security aspect. By comparing to ESH website, the reliability and quality of the SengHealth website in security aspect tend to become degraded and outdated with changing time in the future. Therefore, it's important to regularly update the software program code, and API tools to the latest version. Indirectly, this can improve the user confidence towards the SengHealth website. Second is enhance the GUI. SengHealth website developers should update the GUI in line with the changing time. Thus, the customer will be more interactive with the product that SengHealth sells.